Welcome to our AutoCAD tutorial on drafting a landscape park. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to design a beautiful outdoor space, complete with pathways, greenery, and a serene fountain. Begin by outlining the boundaries of your park using the line tool. Define the pathways and focal points, keeping in mind the flow and aesthetics of the space. Use the offset command to create sidewalks and trails, providing accessibility and connectivity within the park. Ensure proper spacing and alignment for a cohesive design. Organize your drawing by assigning layers to different features such as pathways, vegetation, and structures. This will help streamline the drafting process and enhance clarity. Utilize blocks and symbols to represent trees, shrubs, benches, and other elements within the park. This allows for easy replication and modification as you refine the design. With practice and patience, you can unlock the full potential of this versatile design software to bring your ideas to life.